My name is Joseph Hall, and I'm an attorney in Omaha, Nebraska. One thing I get asked a lot by people, and this is generally something that I only do in particular circumstances. The question is this: how do I maximize my property claim on a car accident situation? Now, if you don't know, car accidents are divided into property and casualty claims. So there's actually two claims. If your car is destroyed and you have full coverage, your insurance company is going to repair your car or get you a new one if the damage is bad enough. Generally speaking, you don't need an attorney for a claim like that. Your insurance company is going to provide you with a reasonable estimation of what your car's worth or what the damage is, and they're going to work out and negotiate with you their payment to compensate you for the loss of your vehicle. Some of these even have rental car portions of the policy, which will allow you to have rental cars for, say, 20 days or something. That should all be in your policy declarations. It should be stated on there what you have. I will say this: I have had some interesting cases, and they are generally things that the insurance company does not handle very well. And those are going to be things like classic cars, one-off vehicles, things like that. Classic cars of, say, a limited trim or something that are very valuable, the insurance company has trouble with that, because when the insurance company assesses the value they're going to pay you, they generally use a valuation tool such as Mitchell's or something like that, where they're going to find comparable vehicles that are being sold currently in your area, or sales, just like the way that real estate comparables work. They're going to do the same thing. They're going to find 3 within 250 miles, and then they're going to compare those to your vehicle. If they have more miles or less miles, they're going to offset the price a little bit. Beware of them picking vehicles that have a lot more miles and then only giving you a small amount to compensate you for the difference in mileage. So those are the things you want to be aware of when they give you that valuation. But with regard to a collector car, there's not a lot of collector cars, say if it's a rare trim, that are sold. I had a case once where it was a particularly rare vehicle, and we had to figure out the last auction price of one, and we ended up going back and forth, and we got a pretty good result from the insurance company after we really laid our cards out and put them on the table and demonstrated to them that it was a special car that had pretty significant value. So provided that you just have a regular car, your insurance will probably do a pretty good job. You might be able to get them to bump it up a little bit. One thing I will say is, remember, they're going to offer you to pay your tax, title, and licensing fees. Most people don't realize that they have to submit those to the insurance company when they buy their new vehicle to replace the old vehicle. So that's something that they do. They like to say, oh, we'll pay for your tax, title, and license. And then a lot of people forget to follow through with it. So remember to follow through on that. If you have any other questions or simply want to talk about legal stuff, give us a call at 402-990-5953. Thank you very much.